So if you're keeping up in the world of AI, you encountered the new trend, which is AI agents. So this leads to the question that gets asked all the time. What's the difference between an AI assistant and an AI agent? Now their names might sound similar, but trust us, there's a big difference. So let's get through it. Let's start with AI assistants. So think of the tools you use every day, like Siri, Alexa, or ChatGPT. They wait for your input and then they respond. But the key thing here is they're reactive. They don't make decisions on their own. They help, but only when you ask. And they typically operate in a single step. You ask a question, then they give you a response, but that's it. They don't carry out long multi-step tasks or reason through complex goals on their own. Now let's contrast this with AI agents. So these systems are a step further. They can observe, make decisions, take action, and even learn from what happens next through feedback. And unlike assistants, agents are built for multi-step thinking. They don't just react. They can plan, execute, and adjust across multiple steps to achieve a goal. In other words, they're proactive. So for a system to qualify as a true AI agent, it should include 4 main components. Let's go through them. So the first trait is perception. The agent must perceive its environment, which could mean reading user input, sensing data from APIs, or referencing stored memory. So a real-world example could be like a smart home, which tracks indoor temperature through sensors and weather forecasts to decide when to adjust heating or cooling. Second, the agent should make decisions based on what it perceives. It should reason about what needs to be done. So think about maybe a stock trading bot that decides when to buy or sell based on real-time market data. Third, it should take action. That means doing something like sending a message, updating a calendar, or retrieving relevant info, all without waiting for step-by-step instructions. And finally, great agents learn over time. They adapt based on feedback, preferences, or changes in the environment. So think recommendation systems that get better at suggesting content the more you interact with them. And this makes the agent smarter and more useful the more you interact with it. To sum it all up, AI assistants only respond, while AI agents take initiative, and they can handle complex multi-step goals. And that's why agents are the foundation for more autonomous and intelligent systems. But how easy is it to make your own AI agent? Well, we'll take you through it step by step by showing you a real-world example of an agent in action. So don't miss it, like, subscribe, and join us as we make our own AI agent.